President Kali. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for the opportunity to help me learn more about the solar eclipse.
Definitely. Are you excited about this upcoming eclipse?
Oh, I think it's going to be such a wonderful celebration for our whole campus and community to get together and observe this once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Absolutely, and I'm looking forward to that, to observe with all of you, all our community here.
Yes.
Okay. So are there any questions that we can address for you?
Well, the first one, why is this a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? I understand eclipses happen all the time, but why is it that our area only gets to experience a full solar eclipse so infrequently?
Okay, it's a very good question. So I am going to give you 3 reasons that why this is once in a lifetime opportunity. Eclipses happen, like total eclipses, 18 months to 2 years. Okay? So in that regard, they are not rare. But on a given location, it takes about 400 years. So the last eclipse that happened in the DFW area, total solar eclipse, was in 1878. And the next one that's going to happen is 300 years from now, which is 2345.
Well, we better hope we get good weather so we get a chance to observe this in our lifetime.
Exactly. I'm telling everybody, hey, send the good vibration so that we all get to watch it. So that's once in a lifetime opportunity, watching it here for once in 300 or 400 years. And it's going to be very special this time because the one that happened 2017, okay, the totality was visible all the way from the central part, like starting from California, ending in Georgia. And the totality was only 2 minutes. This time the totality is 4 minutes. So we are going to watch almost double of that. That makes it very unique. And our sun is going through the maximum cycle. So the sun goes through lower cycle and then higher cycle. So right now it's a maximum cycle which is going to be happen next year. So we are very close to that maximum activity. That makes the corona, the outer part, more fabulous. So that makes it very unique.
Well, I certainly look forward to seeing it on Monday.
Yes, me too.
Okay, another question I had, and maybe this is rumor, I don't know if it's true or not. Animals get confused in eclipses.
That's true. That's true, absolutely. Think about humans, right? Few hundred years back, or maybe 1,000 years back, people were scared that they had no knowledge of it. It's daylight, they are working, and all of a sudden, it's dark. They were confused, sometimes they were scared, sometimes they thought maybe it's a bad omen, something bad is going to happen. So same thing happens to animals. It took us thousands of years to get to this point of understanding that how this happens in nature, and now we observe it from the very first point. Oh, this is the first contact. Now it's partially coming, and now it's total, and it's partial again, and this is the last contact. Because of the instruments, because of the eclipse glasses, we are able to see it. That's not true for animals. They cannot see, oh, it's partial and now it's total. All they are going to see, they are roaming outside, it's light, and all of a sudden it's dark. So for example, birds, right? They chirp in the morning or in the daytime, but all of a sudden it's night. They think it's night, so they are confused. They are quiet for a time. Cicadas, on the other side, they are nocturnal, right? They make those loud sounds in the evening. In the morning, they go in hibernation. But when there is this darkness for a few minutes, they're confused and they start making noises. Okay? Same for animals, dogs and cats. If they're inside, probably they won't know much. But if they're outside, they're going to get confused for a few minutes. So yes, animals do get confused just like human beings had happened to get confused way back in past.
Now, the other thing I've heard is that we can look directly at the eclipse when it's in total darkness.
Yes.
But we can't look at it when there's an edge. Is that accurate?
That is accurate. Okay? When it's 99% covered, it's still bright. Okay? The day will get little dimmer, but it will still be bright. So if you're looking at the sun, right, and all of a sudden after that is darkness, your eyes are not adapted to that change of very bright to dark. Okay. Same way when after totality, it's again starts to recover back, it's going to be very slight, thin brightness, and then all of a sudden, within a few seconds, it's going to be very bright. So you don't want to damage your eyes from very fast change within few seconds from darkness to light and back. So that's the reason, yes, I would recommend, except that 3 minutes. Otherwise, whenever you are looking up, put your Eclipse glasses on.
Okay, I will make sure. I've already got my Eclipse glasses ready to go from the UTA Planetarium, so I'm ready for Monday.
Okay, I'm ready too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.